Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 2. How many diagonals does each of the following have? Number A. Convex quadrilateral, B. A regular hexagon, and C. A triangle. Let us find. Here you see, this is a convex quadrilateral. If we find the diagonal, what you get, you see. If we find the diagonal, here you are finding one diagonal here and one diagonal here. That is, in case of convex quadrilateral, we have two diagonals only, right? If we can that say that there are two diagonals and there are two diagonals, two diagonals. There are two diagonals in a convex quadrilateral. In a convex quadrilateral. Right, here you see there are two diagonals in a convex quadrilateral, and find in question B. This is a regular hexagon, means 6 side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you find the diagonals, here you see the diagonals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, and this one is 9. There we see that there are 9 diagonals in a regular hexagon, right? Therefore, we can say that there are 9 diagonals, 9 diagonals in a regular hexagon. In a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Right? Now question number C. How many diagonals does each of the following have in a triangle? You can see in a triangle there is no diagonal, right? Therefore we can write that a triangle does not have any diagonal in it. Then we can say that a triangle a triangle does not have any diagonal any diagonal in it, any diagonal in it, right? That means find that there are two diagonals in a convex quadrilateral, there are 9 diagonals in a regular hexagon, and a triangle does not have any diagonal in it. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.